Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus minus division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is -1, B is 1, C is 5 and D is 15. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number if your expression contains any number which has the power. So you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. So if you go left to right and if you find the division first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Either you are using the BOD math or PEMDAS, the rule is same for both. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the what math and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So first one is this one, which is parenthesis, you can say, and bracket. So first we have this bracket, which is 3 minus 4. And other one is this one. So one by one, we will solve first one. So here we have 3 minus 4, which becomes minus 1 raised to power 2. Now, move forward. This part, we will write, this part we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 3 minus 4 equals to minus 1. Now move forward. Step number 1. We will repeat again because we have this bracket which is 54 divided by 6 plus 5. Here uh, basically we have to solve first the division because according to the rule, first of all, we have to solve the division. So here we have to solve this one. Again, we have to write this part as it is and plus. Now, 54 divided by 6, it becomes 9 plus 5. And here we have to give the reference like 54. 54 divided by 6 equals to 9. Okay, now move forward. We have to solve the again bracket because we have 9 plus 5. So we have to solve this one. So we will write minus 1 raised to power 2. It becomes like power this one plus, and 9 plus 5 equals to 14. And here we have to give the reference 9 plus 5 equals to 14. Now move forward. We have solved the all bracket. Now we have to solve the exponent part. One more thing, we have solved the even division and multiplication and addition and subtraction. Why? Because it was coming inside the bracket. So we have to solve first the division and after that we have to solve the multiplication and subtraction. So now we have to solve the exponent part or order of operations. So here we have minus 1 raised to power 2. It becomes 1. Why 1? Because minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, which is equals to minus minus plus, and it 1 1 the 1 and plus 14. We will write like here as it is. So here we have to give the reference like a equals to 1. Now we have two terms which are adding each other, so we will add both of them and get the answer is 15. So the answer of the given expression is 15. If you see the answer list, answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using palm dots and word mass method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.